Hi, this is Rachel from RightStart, wanting to walk you through Level F, Lesson 101, Worksheet 82. I'm basically struggling to figure out the first of the different methods to find the area of rectangles. So I'm going to walk you through this particular one. What we're going to do in the first method is break it all apart into segments that are a little easier to think about. So what we're going to do is, this is 2.5 by 3 1/4. So what we're going to do is, our first step is just take a look at this particular section. If we were only finding the area of this section, that would be 2 taken 3 times. So that's our first part of the area. 2 taken 3 times, or 2 times 3. Then I'm going to take this half. I ignored this half, right? That's that half right there. So I ignored that half, and I'm going to start only down to here. I'm going to do 1/2 taken 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so I'm ignoring this for right now. I'm ignoring the 1/4, but I'm taking the 1/2 times 3. All right, now I'm going to, it's a smaller sliver, but I'm still working with the whole number here. So I'm going to multiply it by 2 times, and this here is the 1/4 piece. So 2 times 1/4. Obviously this would all be on one line, but I'm going to show it on all 4, just so we can kind of pull it apart. And then we are left with this tiny little sliver right here, which is 1/2 and 1/4. So we have that extra piece to multiply together. So now let's solve this. Here we have 2 times 3, which is 6. We have 1/2 of 1/3, or I'm sorry, 1/2 of 3, which is 1 1/2. We have 2 1/4, which is either 2/4, or it's also known as 1/2, right? If I have 2/4, that's the same as 1/2. And 1/2 times 1/4 is 1/8. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 4 is 8. So now we're going to put all of these together. 6 plus 1 1/2 plus, I'm going to pull this number in, 1/2 plus 1/8. Now we have 6, 7, 8, and 1/8. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Take care. Bye-bye.